Okay guys, it's here, the winter product line, and I am going to do an unboxing video. I don't normally do this, but I heard from you guys that you like it. So I'm gonna run through the products super quick. I could always go into more detail in the future, but I wanna show you a lot of stuff in a small amount of time and respect your time. So the first thing we have is a lot of material. Ooh. And this is exciting. This is probably the most exciting product in the entire winter line, and it's regular line. It's being added to our line, and it is our dynamic wrinkle limiter. And it says, skip the syringe. That's super exciting. It's 76% as effective as a widely used wrinkle relaxing injection treatment. So I'll let you guys figure out what that is without using the B word, but you can actually treat dynamic wrinkles with this product and experience pain-free results on your own time with this innovative targeted cream. So what you do is you use it on where you get dynamic wrinkles. Dynamic wrinkles are wrinkles that are caused by expression lines. So when we furrow our brows between the eyebrows, or our forehead wrinkles or crow's feet, and you would put this product on twice a day in those specific areas. And it says that a targeted cream allows you to deliver potent actives precisely where facial creases occur. And it works through patent pending botanical wrinkle limiting technology that helps minimize the impact of facial expressions that cause the appearance of dynamic wrinkles. And again, if you missed it, it's 76% as effective as a widely used wrinkle relaxing injection treatment. So you can now skip the syringe. In fact, that is the cover of our catalog. Talks about skipping the syringe. This is super exciting, and there's tons of before and after photos. So if you guys want me to send you more information on that, definitely let me know. Again, it's the newest product that's added to our Clinical Solutions line. And if you're not familiar with our Clinical Solutions line, we have several products like Pure Retinol and Targeted Boosters. And basically it's our dermo-cosmetic line of products. It combines cosmetic beauty with skin health to advance the boundaries of dermo-cosmetic science. It's designed to deliver our highest level of skincare performance. These products represent Mary Kay's commitment to innovative technology and to developing new products targeted to specific skincare concerns. So this is kind of a line of specialists. You know, you have your skincare just like you have your regular doctor for maintenance and health, but then sometimes you're referred to a specialist if you have specific issues that you want to address. And when you see this seal on our products, this seal here, that means something special. What it means is that you can be assured that an external advisory panel outside of Mary Kay, and it's a panel of dermatologists, that they validated the product by conducting thorough review and evaluation of clinical tests, data, and scientific support for the formula and ingredients. Isn't that exciting? So if you want more information on our Dermo Cosmetic Clinical Solution products, you can. But our dynamic wrinkle limiter is the newest product that allows you to skip the syringe. Get excited. Save you money, save you time. You're not injecting toxins in your body, and you're getting 76% as effective results. I'm excited. Are you? And you should see some of these before and afters. Okay, so that's the first product I'm excited about in the new winter line. Secondly, we have some really fun color products. Now, these products are limited edition. So when they're out, you guys, and they're gonna go quick. And they're eyeliners and lip liners you've been asking for that are really, really vibrant and fun. So let me show you first the 3 eyeliners. And what's so great about Mary Kay liners is you can tell the color just by looking at the tips. So imagine this in a little pencil cup, and you can immediately know and grab the color you want. You don't have to pull out your reading glasses and look for the name. Also, so there's emerald, and again, these are limited edition for the holidays. So they're super vibrant, you can see. So that's the emerald. I'm really not good at this, you guys, but you wanted it. So there's the emerald, okay? And art is not a subject of mine. And then there's copper, okay? This would look beautiful with blue eyes. Oh my goodness. So there's the copper. Okay, and again. Okay, and then the last one is probably the one most widely asked for, and that is amethyst. I'm super excited about the amethyst. And they're all very kind of metallic looking, which is perfect for the holidays. And so these 3 colors are limited edition. Also, all of our liners, you guys, whether they're limited edition or the regular Mary Kay liner in black, brown, steely, those are our regular line colors. The end of the liner, the cap, you may not know this, it pulls off, okay? And it has a little shaper in it, okay? So if this ever gets flat or dull, you can put it in the shaper and spin it around, and it'll help mold the tip so it stays nice and sharp and gives you that nice fine line. So you can either use it to create a really broad stroke, or you can use the shaper and get a nice thin fine line, whatever you'd like to do. So here is a picture of the 3 liners on a model, amethyst, emerald, and copper. And then we have 2 lip liners, super vibrant lip liners right here. And these are limited edition as well. So we've got 2 colors right here, limited edition, and they're very vibrant, tangerine and violet lilac. And this is what they look like, tangerine and violet lilac. Limited edition. If you want some really fun ideas on what lip colors, what Mary Kay lip colors these pair with, ask me, because we've been experimenting and playing with these, and we found some great color combinations. In fact, we can even meet up virtually or in person. We have an app that allows you to try it on virtually, which is super exciting. Okay, next up, so that's color, and all of the products are waterproof. So once you put them on, they do not come off. Look at this. They do not come off until you wash them off because they're waterproof, our eyeliners and our lip liners. So that's super exciting. The next thing is our very famous Satin Hands Pampering Set has a limited edition scent for winter. So just for winter, and it is called Citrus Lilac. That's kind of an interesting scent, you know, because I think lilac, maybe I'm confusing it with lavender. It kind of seems calming. And then I hear citrus, and that seems very bright. So you can either get the set. It makes the best gift for people because everybody gets dry hands in the winter. Not everybody wears makeup, and you know, skin types are a little bit challenging, but everybody needs hand pampering. Or you can just get the hand cream. So it's called Citrus Lilac. And it smells delicious. Oh my goodness. It smells great. Even the hand cream doesn't take these liners off. And I'm using a creamy hand cream. You would think that a cream would take them off, but nope. They are waterproof and apparently cream proof. So what it says is indulge in a spa-like treatment is bright citrus and soft lilac. That's what it smells like, bright and soft at the same time. It's super yummy. And so this is going to be a very big hit. And the hand cream works like an invisible glove, keeping your hands soft and hydrated for up to 24 hours. So it's going to be a fabulous gift set. And then lastly, as far as limited edition, so the liners are limited edition, and the scent of the Satin Hands and hand cream is limited edition. And our fragrance. Now, this fragrance, if you believe, has been in Mary Kay before. So a lot of you loved this fragrance, used this fragrance, and were very sad when it went away. So it's called If You Believe. It's in this gorgeous bottle, and Mary Kay brought it back for a limited time for the holidays because they know that a lot of you used it and loved it and miss it. So now is your chance. I'm so distracted because it's limited edition just for the holidays. So it is back. And it's a woody citrus floral. And it smells wonderful. And so again, this is one of the things that we'll have to meet up so you can try. Okay, so that's that. And then as a reminder, if you're gonna meet up and kind of want to try these winter products, Mary Kay also advises us as consultants on what products you may be interested in now that it's winter. You know, your skin changes from winter to summer, and a lot of times, you know, your consultant's available quarterly to help you with all these transitions. So as your skin transitions from winter to summer, you know, consult with your consultant. It's free and complimentary. And fall and spring, we tend to get a lot of fun new colors too. So the guidance for winter, a couple things, is using these two products together. We have a power pair. So these are regular line products, but you may not be using them together. This is our Time-Wise Replenishing Serum C plus E. And this is our ferulic and niacinamide booster to help even out skin tone. So these are considered a power pair, and the scientists at Mary Kay have concluded that you get brighter skin by using them together. They're better together. So you may have been using one or two of these products if you have uneven skin tone, dark spotting, things like that. But they did some new studies on this, and they concluded, oh, and I'm trying to find what this percentage was. It's like something like 45% more effective when you use these two products together. And it has 3 sources of vitamin C. It's got 2 powerhouse brighteners. It's got 1 patented ingredient technology, and you combine all that, and we're calling it the Best in Brightness bundle. So these 2 products is best in brightness if that's a concern for you for this winter. Also, if you're getting dry this winter, we recommend that you try either our Intense Moisturizing Cream if your skin's really dry, or our Oil-Free Hydrating Gel if your skin's more normal combination, slightly dry. And they're like drink of water for the skin. So these can be some great add-ons to help winterize your skin on top of your current routine. So that's pretty much it, you guys. If you're a customer of mine, you are going to be receiving this book in the mail. It says Skip the Syringe on the title. It's going to give you all the fun details of the new product. You can read all about it. I love that little image of the new product. It tells you exactly what it's meant to do. You can read more about our Dermo cosmetic line. You can see great big pictures of the liners. And for my customers, you are going to have a sample on page 15 of 2 lipsticks. Okay, so I'd love to get your opinion on them. You are going to get to try the Hushed Blush and the Black Cherry hydrating lipsticks, which is also great for winter because our lips tend to get dry in the winter time. And so you can try our new hydrating lipsticks in Hushed Blush and Black Cherry, free samples on page 15. I hope you liked the unboxing. If you have any additional questions, let me know. And if you want more details or want me to do a in-depth video on any of these or try them on, I'd be happy to do so. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Bye.